I would have never considered this an RV essential till I started using it. And then I did a black tank test video and it only confirmed what I thought. No matter what type of RV black tank treatment or method you use, backfilling and rinsing your tanks is really the key to keeping them clean. The Camco Rhino Blaster Pro Rinser makes backfilling and rinsing your black and gray tanks extremely easy. I'll put a link to this product and all the other products in this video down below in the video description and the first comment. Amazon Prime Day is here, July 16th and 17th, 2024. And today I want to share with you a few RV accessories that I use, I would recommend to anyone, so you can pick them up while they're on sale and hopefully save a few bucks. Next on the list is another product that I used in that black tank video. It's called Liquefied. In that video, I show how liquids move much easier than solids, and Liquefied does a great job of breaking everything down. The Camco Taste Pure water filter is also on Prime discount. This is the best-selling RV water filter. Even if you bring bottled drinking water, you should always filter your water because remember, you're not using bottled water to shower or wash your dishes. Water filters also ensure you're running clean water through things like your water pump, your water heater, and your washing machine if you have one. 303 Aerospace Protectant is what I use to protect my tires and all my plastic trim. It's highly rated and it's water-based, so it won't attract dirt and dust like silicone or oil-based products. Maxhaul has 2 sets of rubber wheel chocks that are also on sale. Unlike cheap plastic versions, these are highly rated, heavy-duty rubber wheel chocks at a very good price. Eternabond is putting their 2-inch wide roof seal on sale for Prime Day. I'm sure most of you have seen at least one of the many Eternabond videos online, and the 2-inch wide roll is also good to have on hand with you, just in case you get a tear in your roof membrane while traveling. Camco also has their Sidewinder sewer hose supports on sale for Amazon Prime Day. I'll put links to the different lengths below. If you haven't picked up a ground mat yet, Stylish Camping has a few different sizes on sale, and most of you probably already have these, but if you don't or need to replace one, MaxxAir has one of their roof vent covers on sale. If you don't have a good first aid kit in your RV yet, the highly rated kit from Everlit is also on sale. There's a lot more RV products and accessories on Prime discount. I'll put a full list down below. I hope this short video helps you save some money, and we'll see you guys soon.